Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to permanently delete projects like this in CapCut. It is quite easy, but I understand most of the time if you're new to CapCut you just look for the options everywhere where to delete, and this could be like quite stressful or annoying. But first of all, you want to go to the project, like the project that you want to delete. For example, in my case, I want to delete this project because I already deleted the video from my computer, so it's just like here, sitting here. So I want to delete this project. All you need to do is quite simple. You just want to come to the project. You want to use two fingers and press on it, and then you see the options where it says delete. But if you're using the mouse, it's like going using your mouse, like right clicking the mouse. It should also bring this option, but I don't have a mouse, so I like to use my computer. So yeah, if you use your computer, two fingers, you press down like this, and you see the options where it says delete. So it is pretty simple. It is quite easy. But yeah, this is the easy way. Two fingers, you press, and the option should show up like this where it says delete. All right, that's it, guys. That's a quick one. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video, and subscribe would also help as well. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.